I'm Erika Twani, CEO of Learning One-to-One and author of Becoming Einstein's Teacher. I believe every child is a genius. In this video, we're going to talk about standardized testing. How do you know if your child is gifted? So for you to understand this topic, I'm going to tell you a story. One day, a student called George Denzik got late to his statistics class. So he didn't know what was going on. It was almost over, and everything he could do was to write down the last 2 exercises that was in the blackboard. So he wrote that down, and he went home and started working on those 2 exercises. It was really tough. Although really good at math, took him a while to figure out those 2 exercises. A couple of weeks later, he brought it to his professor, and the professor was absolutely amazed about those 2 problems. Denzik did not know that those were impossible problems. Nobody had an answer for it. And in a couple of weeks, he figured it out. So this story became a very inspirational story for us to understand that once somebody doesn't know or is not aware that something is not possible, then you can do it, right? You're going to do your best, and most likely you'll find the answer. So how do you know if your child is gifted? The answer is your child is gifted. It has always been gifted. And the reason why is because he or she does not know the word impossible. For a child, everything is possible until somebody tells them otherwise. So your child is gifted. I go more in depth in my book, Becoming Einstein's Teacher. So pick up the book, watch other videos, subscribe, comment, and share this video for all parents out there and all teachers out there to understand that your child is gifted.